Hello, hello, welcome back. I'm coming after a long time with Batty. With Batty. I was looking opposite. Recently I solved a problem. Easy, like it's a easy problem. It's a palindrome. What is a palindrome? You can search on Google. It's basically one to one. Is if we rotate the number like opposite side, then also one to one. So it's a palindrome number. So we have to think of that. If we rotate the number and it's the same number, then it's the palindrome number. This is lead code number 9, problem number 9, and Albert is going to solve it. Okay, so if you are thinking I'm just only solving easy problems, so then it's not okay. I'm solving some hard problems also, but the problem with the hard problems are I can't explain on this thing. Okay, I solved around three hard problems. First one is like the book sorted algorithm. I mean, we're using a binary search, but it's not a normal binary search. First of all, we just had to define it's a valid number or an invalid number. So it's going so many things with that. Okay, so this is a palindrome problem, and this is giving us few things like a palindrome. Yeah. I mean, I already explained this. Okay, so we have to return the boolean value true and false. So to solve this problem, what we can do is basically it's just giving us integer. We have to okay. First of all, what I can think is basically how we can convert our how we can it's like rotate our integer. Okay, first of all, we have to decide. First of all, let's check few edge cases because if our x is less than 0, then we don't have to perform. So, say edge case scenario where x is greater than 0, the return false. Okay. If our x is smaller than 0, it is giving us a minus value, then it's not a palindrome because if we rotate this minus value, so we are going to get 1 1 to 1. So we don't have to actually calculate the minus values. We're already going to return the minus sign. So in here, what we can do, I'm going to say the reverse number, and it's going to be equal to 0 for now. And I'm going to take a int org original is equal to the x amount because we don't want to actually change. Okay, so you can search on Google how we can change a number so you can easily get it. My I is not equal to is not equal to 0. Is equal to 10, and then it's okay. So what I actually did in here is basically I just reverse the our integer, and if we want to check this integer, we can like go on to Google and just search it how we can do. Okay, so basically in here I take another thing. Okay, so if you guys are thinking why I take this original, so it's basically in the end we're like doing the x divided and equal to 10. So our x value is a different number right now. So we don't actually have the actual x value right now. So for that reason, f is equal to the reverse number is equal to if this is equal to our what is it called original, then we have to return the true, and the else case false case. Okay, so this is the whole problem. I mean, but this is not going to pass the all test cases if you little bit of notice and if you have like basic knowledge of these things. It's not going to run. For me and run. Here you can see like if 500 people are solving this problem, wow, damn. But it's not going to solve this problem because like some yeah, you have to pass 11,511. Wow, damn. And it's not a palindrome number, by the way. No, I mean it is a palindrome. Yeah, damn. 1,011 it is a palindrome number. Okay, so what is this saying? It's saying like runtime error. Why it's saying runtime error in this? Because we're storing too many numbers. So what you guys can do is basically choose a long, like it's a basic thing, but it's going to work. Okay, so how is this working? Let me little bit explain to you. So first of all, we're like guessing if our the x value is less than zero. If this is less than zero, then we don't actually have to like run the rest of the loops because it's a minus value and minus value cannot be a palindrome. That's the figure. And then this is, and then we're taking this thing. We're going to store our reverse number inside this, and then we're storing our original number inside this because at the end, when we just like reverse our number, it's going to change it. Okay, so that's it. And then we're checking our the current, the reverse number, and the original number, and this is true, then true. If this is false, then false. So guys, yes, that is going to know and okay, there's basically two ways to solve this problem, by the way. The first one is this, it's going to run and submit. So we're going to pass all test cases with a zero, and that's the 100%. Yeah, it's going to work, but there's another optimization what it will do. Let's move this into int. The right here we want to check a statement is that if my number, reverse number is greater, is smaller than, I think I should be greater than our int max minus digit divided by 10. If this is true, then we have to return false. Okay, so in palindromes, what we can actually check is basically if this iteration is running. So if it is overflowing, then the output is false. So this is also going to work just fine. Symbol C, submit. It is going to work perfectly fine without any kind of interruption. It's going to move forward. Okay, yeah. Here you can see. It is also an optimization you can do. I mean, we have the two ways to fix it, but I rather choose this thing. But like in the long, I mean, this is going to give me some best and zero MS. It's not a hard problem, but I already solved 19 problems in LeetCode. And if we come, I mean, if we included that, so the rest three, the hard problems, this could be like 23. Damn, we're improving. Out 23. It should be 22. Lol. Yeah, we're improving little by little. And I'm just trying to like do some two classes every day from my DSA. Like I'm following Apna College and also another video, but I'm not able to follow that one. Okay, I'll do. So yeah, this is the today's video. I hope you guys are like this. Like on all things to do. Bye bye.